Let's have a look now at some basic annotation and symbols on a mechanical drawing in Autocad Mechanical 2010. I've placed some multi-line text here. Now, multi-line text is very basic annotation. So what I could do here is click on this text here, right click, I'm going to copy that selection, use the end of the center line as the base point, and drop it down here and press enter to confirm. Now that's actually, you'll see there, a side view. So I need to edit that text. I just double click on it like so. That opens up the text editor there on the ribbon, and I would edit that and just edit the word plan and change it to side. Make sure it's in capitals and make sure there's a space there. Click on close and close the text editor. So that now allows me to have a description or annotation for my side view. I've also got down here a cutaway view. So I'll click again, right click, copy selection, base point there to base point there, enter to finish, it's a double click there, I edit the word side and change that to cutaway, like so, and again, close the text editor. So that's annotation, nice and neat and tidy. What about symbols? Well, if we look here, we've got a section AA, but on the plan view, we're not actually showing where that section is. It's actually between this center line and this center line. So what I need to do there is go to the Annotate tab on the ribbon, and I need what they call a symbol here, this one, a feature identifier. So I click there like so, and select the object to attach it to, that center line there, and it comes straight off the end of the center line. So I specify the start point, which is the end point of the line, and as I come out you can see my identifier there. Can you see that there? Click, and as I come out again I can just press enter now, and it will prompt me for the identifier that's going to go on the end of that. I'm just going to go with the standard arrowhead and click on OK, and there's 1A there to indicate a section. Let's do that again. So select the object here, start point is the end point snap, I come down, I'll click there, right click again, there's the A, OK it, and as you can see now I've got a section AA. Now I can click on these and actually change the position. So if I come down there, can you see that? I can change the position by clicking on the grip there if I want to. I'm not too worried about that A being there and that A being there. The arrowheads show where the section is. That's the important bit. These are just annotations, so they're just placed there, A. So that's annotation and symbols in Autocad Mechanical 2010. Now, the trick here is to take this annotation and symbols into your layout tab here. Now you can see that I've got a couple of viewports there in place. I'm going to lose those. They're from a previous exercise. And what I'm going to do now, in the model, I've actually got a scale area there. And what I'm going to do is double click on that and say that I want it at 2:1. I'm going to perform a rescale and click on OK. And I'm going to rescale the text and my symbols there. I right click to confirm, it all resizes. So what I can do now is click in here, go to my view, viewport scale area, right click border, select my scale area there, click there, and everything scales appropriately. So as you can see there, the annotation and symbols all comes through scaled appropriately based on the scale area and the annotation symbols in the model tab itself. So that's how you work with annotation and symbols in Autocad Mechanical 2010.